So guys, today we're checking out this 13-inch Hyperthrow Cordless Snowblower. And this was sent to us by the manufacturer for the purpose of this review. In the box, we will find a battery charger, a 4000 milliamp hour 20 volts rechargeable battery, and this is the multi-language user manual. They printed right on the cover to read it, understand, and follow the manual carefully before use. Right here is the tightening screws and handle, and this is the main body and motor of the 13-inch cordless snowblower. And lastly, these are the aluminum poles that supports the handle and the triggers of the snowblower. Before we put this together, I want to show you the main motor unit. This unit is not very heavy and it feels very solid and heavy duty, but I would recommend that you try not to drop it because the whole exterior unit is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap nor flimsy. But the plastic feels solid and durable. These three flaps right here controls the direction on how the snow is being dispersed. And it can be adjusted 30 degrees on both sides by pulling up the snow outlet angle adjustment knob. The bottom part has a round shape for easy gliding, and this part right here looks like a snow shovel that feeds the snow to the auger to eject the snow. Now for the assembly, we'll start with the aluminum handle that houses the wires that connects the motor unit to the trigger handle. And for this, we will need the screws, the handle knobs, and the handle. So let's get started. And lastly, the auxiliary handle. This one you might need to put a little bit of muscle to spread it out for it to get in. And you will need the long bolt for this one. Now for the trigger handle that is also completely made of solid plastic. This is the safety switch. You will need to push that with your thumb so you can activate the trigger to start the snowblower. And right below is the battery slot. This is where the rechargeable battery is going to be inserted. Now it's time to attach the handle to the motor unit. According to the manufacturer's manual, we need to remove this plate before we insert the handle. But if you check the product page, there is one instructional video that does not require to remove the plate as long as you align the holes right on the plate. Because there's a contact point between the motor unit and the handle, and this needs to be inserted properly. Then you can screw the plate back and use the last two hex screws to secure the handle to the motor unit. Once we're done here, we'll just insert the battery and we can start clearing some snow. This 4000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery comes in a large 20 volts capacity that can last up to 25 minutes and a light indicator that displays the capacity of the remaining charge. The battery charger will always display a green light when it's plugged into a power source and a red light when it's charging the battery and a green light when the battery is fully charged. I started clearing out some snow and I forgot to press record, but just to show you a quick demonstration on how easy it is to clear out snow with this snow shovel. And just a quick reminder, you cannot use this snow shovel on heavy snowfall. The height clearance of this snow shovel is 8 inches. It has an approximate throw height of 13 feet and approximate throw distance of 19 feet. And this works great on fresh and soft snow. Although this one that I'm using it for right now is a bit wet. And yet, I am very impressed that it was still able to perform well and able to throw the snow and clear it out easily, and it's definitely a lot lighter compared to shoveling. This cordless snowblower only weighs a little bit over 4 kilograms including the battery. Its compact design makes it easy for storage and it's easy to clean, and it's really a great help for moderate snowfall. So guys, this is the 13-inch Hyperthrow Cordless Snowblower. Get yours today. Thanks for watching.